Hello, all. How have you been? Whether there is a festival time or some friends are expecting at home, or even throwing a small party at home, a paneer sabji is a must dish in the menu, especially for all the vegetarians. So, today's video is mainly focused on cooking a very popular paneer sabji, which is Shahi Paneer. I'll show you a very simple and with just two ingredients recipe of Shahi Paneer, and you can really cook this in no time. To make this Shahi Paneer even more easy and tasty, I am using this vegetable chopper to make a tomato gravy. It will not only save your time to wash and clean the mixer, the grainy texture of this tomato gravy will also taste delicious. It's evening time and our squirrel has just woken up. I give her milk in the evening with some cornflakes or sometimes kheer because now she has started going to school and she doesn't have milk in the morning. Here I am adding some oil and little bit butter into the kadai, and here goes some whole spices, bay leaf, big cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon, clove, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, pinch of asafoetida, and now adding the tomato puree into this, and also salt as per taste to cook this mixture quickly. While it is cooking, I utilize this time to wash the chopper and other items used in the preparation. I have a habit of washing the chopping board immediately after chopping the veggies. This practice will make it odor free and stain free. Now it has started releasing the oil from the kadai, and it's the right time to convert this paste into a gravy. My special trick to make it creamy is adding the almond milk into this paste. I am pouring the milk slowly so that there is no lumps in the gravy, and that's it. Honestly, that's it. I don't add any cream or yogurt or cashew nut paste in this. Also, this is a vegan milk, so you can add this milk worry free in this salty recipe, as so many people don't add milk with salt. You can also use soy milk or coconut milk to make any paneer recipe. Let it cook for some time to make little bit thick consistency, enhancing the taste by adding a pinch of garam masala into it. And here goes our paneer cubes in the kadhai. I'm also adding half teaspoon of sugar into this, not more than that. Today we are eating this with chapati or roti. You also give this a shot. I'm sure you will love this recipe. And if you like it, please share your comments with me. I am winding up the night and getting the house ready for the next day, cleaning up our daughter's play area and putting everything in its place. Waking up in the morning and seeing your house in order motivates you to do the next day's work. Hope you enjoyed watching this small vlog from Abode Diaries. You can also share your thoughts in the comment box below. Please consider subscribing our channel and also like and share the videos. Bye for now.